Welcome to the Almo E4 Experience. My name is Manny Kuza. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Sharp. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about the Windows Collaboration Display by Sharp. So there's a lot of detail to go into. I'll keep it pretty high level. Essentially, our partnership with Microsoft was to work out a few standards. How quickly can you start a meeting? And we'll talk about connectivity real quick. Having an onboard camera, taking your personal device from small to room scale, and the most important piece here is going to be the IoT sensor hub built into the display. So essentially, it takes about 12 minutes on average to start a meeting. With this, you're going to be able to walk into a room, either connect the USB Type-C 3, HDMI, or your wireless Windows or Android device. Once you do that with the Smart Switch software, it's going to recognize you as the presenter and automatically put you on the board. So I have a Type-C set up here to a personal device on the back end. Again, this is focused around BYOD. Nothing new to learn here. You present what you're comfortable using with every single day, your wireless device or your laptop, whatever you use on a daily basis. So essentially, now we've eliminated this 12 minutes of wasted time trying to start a meeting. Now you bring your device, you're on the board, you're ready to present. The next standard was taken from obviously small scale to room scale, and it's the first time that Sharp has an onboard camera for video conferencing purposes. It's a 120-degree viewing angle, 4K camera with near and far field mics. So regardless of where you're at in the room, you don't have to raise your volume, it'll capture you front and or back. The biggest differentiator here, and I'll give you a quick show, yes, it's an AV device, it's a 4K display, the whole 9 yards. Essentially now we're capturing the IoT sensor hub. Now we're taking all the room metrics, spatial intelligence, and we're going to be able to capture everything from room temperature all the way through motion. So what do you do with that information? Now you can use this as an actual sales tool to your end user to show them how the space is actually being used. So everything again from temperature, humidity, air quality, total volatile organic compounds, what you're breathing in the air. We're calculating all this information for you, as well as motion. If the system's hibernating, you walk into the room, it'll capture your body motion, activate the display, make it that much easier for you to start your presentation. So where does the information go? We have 2 chipsets on here, and with the Linux chip, it is now taking all this edge compute and pushing it into the Azure cloud. So now you're able to take all the data and analytics from the actual space that this display is in and be able to put it in a nice dashboard so that way you can figure out what the data means to you and your customers. So it can capture everything from the room temperature, connect that to your HVAC, make it a smart space within your facility, control the HVAC, room temperature up and down, the ambient light coming into the room, how many people attend the meeting. So you're taking all the information and then it'll be up to your end user to figure out how to use it within that space. So essentially, I really think that the biggest differentiator here with this display is capturing data and analytics. So there's a lot more to go over. So if you want more information, contact your Almo rep and we'll go ahead and get a display set up for you.